up, everybody? It's me again, Leslie, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be recreating my sexy manghuhula look that I posted last year, October. If you wanna know kung paano ko gagawin itong sexy manghuhula look, sexy fortune teller look, just keep on watching. Okay, so start tayo with a clean face. Of course, you have to do your skincare routine first. Magmi-mist lang muna ako since kanina pa ako nakapag-skincare routine. Para lang ma-refresh yung ating face. The brand, I forgot. Ano to? Hello, Gorgeous Peak Effect. It's their No Shine Mattifier. Mura lang to. And hindi ko alam kung nagtitinda pa rin sila ng ganitong na nasa sachet. Kasi parang alam ko may nasa tube na sila. But anyway, so we're gonna be using this one for our primer. Gagamitin ko lang to dun sa mga parts na kailangan mag-primer. Base. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. Be right back after kung tapusin yung eyebrows. Okay, so tapusin tayo sa eyebrows. Medyo parang napakapal ate yung eyebrows ko ngayon. Pero okay lang yan. Depende naman sa inyo yan. And then I'm gonna be using this as a setting powder. Ito yung the final powder in the shade ano shade? Ivory Glow. Okay, so for the contour, I'm gonna be using the Vice Cosmetics in the shade Confirm. Sabi ko sa inyo guys, super affordable lang. It doesn't have to be expensive para ma-achieve yung look. Kahit anong makeup product pwede nyo natin. So now, I'm gonna be using this. Siyempre, wag natin kakalimutin yung ating video. Okay, so tapos na tayo sa contour sa aking sides ng face. And now, syempre, wag natin kakalimutin yung contour sa ating ilong. Okay, so we're done with the contour ng ating nose. And now, anong gagawin na natin? Later na natin gawin yung blush and the highlight. So, let's focus first muna sa ating eyeshadow, which is ito na magsa-start na yung ating para ma-achieve yung look. Be right back. Ilalagay ko lang yung contact lens sa mata ko para mas may konting effect. Wait. Okay. So, nalagay ko na yung aking contact lens. Hindi ako sanay mag-contact lens kaya umiyak muna ako bago bumalik. Medyo naiiyak-iyak pa ako ngayon. Putting this one first, the shade right here. This is the shade Aster. Amber. And the next, we're gonna be putting the Saga shade dito sa may outer part. Ganun natin yung Saga dito pa rin sa outer part. Parang itong Saga na to is parang grayish yan. The shade Opal. So, ito yung pinaka-dark dito. Okay, kung makikita nyo ba, yung medyo tumatapang na tayo sis. Dagdagan pa natin yung shade ng Opal. Octavia. This one, this is much darker kasi compared dun sa ibang shades na shimmer. So, I'm gonna use my pinky finger. As you can see, ganyan yung color. So, ilalagay natin siya dito sa now, using the same shade, which is the Opal, and then I'm gonna put it here sa baba ng mata ko. Next to blush. Contour pa natin para I'm gonna use my ring finger to put the WhatsApp highlight. Tapos na tayong maglagay. Tapos na natin yung ating eyeshadow and the base and everything. So, lalagyan ko lang, syempre, magmamaskara lang tayo para mas maganda yung tsura. Okay, so, nag-eyeshadow. Nag-mascara na din ako para medyo, buhay tayong tingnan. The Lemon Melon All Natural Lip and Cheek Stain in the shade Ursula. There. Okay, so we're done with the makeup and babalik ako para sa ating last and final look with all the costume and the accessories that I mentioned a while ago. I'll be right back. Okay, so nilagyan lang natin siya ng, ito, ano talaga to, quintas talaga, but ipinin ko lang dito sa aking ulo, and then I added this hoops. Mura lang to sa palengke, mayroong ganito sis, so hindi ka mahihirapan. Sa buhok nyo, pwede nyo itis, pwede nyo maganda lang. And if wala kayong ganito, pwede kayong gumamit nito. Ito, for sure, may makikita kayo nito anywhere, any palengke. Pwede nyo ganyanan. Actually, mas maganda nga siya ng ganyan. I hope na-enjoy nyo ang aking transformation from nothing to a sexy fortune teller slash na-possessed na fortune teller. So, kung tatanungin nyo kung ano yung nasa ngipin ko kanina, activated charcoal yun. So, dual purpose. Umitim yung ngipin mo sa una, nakakatakot ka, pero after nun, puputi yung ngipin mo. Anyway, so yun lang. I hope na na-enjoy nitong video na to. And if you like, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget also to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And click the bell button beside the subscribe button so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a new one. And yun lang. Maraming salamat. And I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!